We're off to the street food market. It's very important to remember when you come to Kenya, the food, don't be scared of it. Everything is fresh every day and killed every day. And this can obviously reassure you of actually how it's done.
Yo!
Okay, go. Ah. Jumbo. He's gonna sharpen a knife. We got a pedal down there. We got the stone right here. It doesn't get any better. If we had this in Ireland, we get a lot cleaner vegetable cuts. So we're in a Mombassa street food restaurant. Right now, this lovely lady has agreed to let us in. There's 5 of them around here. Fresh beef, today's cut. We have ginger, garlic, coriander, tamarind. Yeah? Tamarind. Good crack in here with the ladies. You can see we're a few seconds away from learning how this bad boy is cooked up and tasted. It's all starting to go in the pot now. So basically we're taking ash, spreading it around, because from the coal fire, we don't want the soot to come around and that makes it hard to clean after. Who's the boss?
Me, I'm the boss.
You're the boss?
Let them put on somebody.
So basically for lunchtime in all the street food stands, we're fast learning that all the recipes are really cooked in the morning and ready for the big crowds to come. The smell is fresh, really fresh. Like any good rice, you want to wash off the starch for it. And that's exactly what we're doing here. Jeez, that's a lovely color. So the flavors are really starting to come out. It's a very strong flavor. Nane? 8? Oh, Nane? Here we go. Here, for you. Ramala, showing us what's going on in her kitchen. 10 kg? 10?
Yes.
Ah. So rice is going in very slow, so no burning ourselves. It's very, very hot. So we really want to mix the rice in with what's going on here. Then that means it'll cook evenly and stop the rice from clumping up. That's why we washed it as well. Big lunch. How many people will we feed today?
Many people.
Maybe 100?
More than.
More than 100?
Yes.
Wow. Hot, hot. Easy. Shit, get out of there.
Photo menu.
The charcoals on the top really made everything cook evenly all the way through. So I'm here eating with Betty and Nemo, some lovely palau. So what's the plan?
We're gonna go to the market, do some shopping, like taking those for the recipes, all the required recipes, ingredients
Lovely.
for the snacks to be made
Cool.
at home.
Good, it's getting crazy. The food will be like this too, yeah? If you want some cabbage, Ireland, this is definitely a place to get it. Look at all this. Tons of cabbage. I was wondering what that smell was. Now we got potatoes everywhere. Holy shit. It's just abundance of everything. You could tell there's a lot of people that live in the city, and there's definitely a lot of people eating good. We're definitely in the suburbs of Mombasa and it's clear as day. We're about to go into Nemo's house now and cook up some sirih eats. Matoke, perfect. So we got beef, ginger, garlic going on the stove. Capsicum, we got green peppers and onions going in.
And then this will have this. We are adding potatoes, bananas, and the carrots. Water. Pepper.
Lovely. So basically what we got here is a Kenyan style stew with bananas, carrots, potatoes, beef, coriander, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. Lovely, mild, tasty stew. There's nothing really more to say about it, but nice, good home cooking. Perfect for the rainy days. We're making Kenyan kebabs. Chilies. Some coriander, some onion, really just some good mince. Kenyan style kebab going down. Kebab, Kenyan style. Just straight up flour,
Flour and
coriander,
and salt.
salt. That's it.
Yeah.
Lovely.
These are Irish potatoes.
Irish potatoes, okay. What about a little bit of garlic or ginger, no? I'm about to try the potatoes that Nemo had cooking back there. Looking forward to this one. Very easy. And the coating around it with the fresh coriander and the color and the salt and the egg really adds an extra little bit of flavor. I went to Kenya to discover some new flavors and recipes for my restaurant. I was surprised to see how simple the dishes and recipes are here, but quickly learned the real secret to Kenyan food is the quality and freshness of the ingredients. It's not always about complicating food. The people, animals, and landscape has been the real adventure here. Thanks for following this series. Hopefully catch you on the next adventure. Hi, I'm, whoops, sorry. Hi, my name's Randy. I'm a Canadian.